So today I will teach you 5 different tricks on the iOS 18 on the iPhone 16 Pro. And before I start this video, I would like to say thank you to all of you guys subscribing to this new channel, because I want to reach new fans, new audience, to teach them new tricks on these phones or the Android phones or anything. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and then it will help me for the algorithm. So now I'm going to teach you the 5 different tricks on the iOS 18 on this iPhone 16 Pro. So let's get started. So the first trick is, if you hold any of the app right here, now there's a new feature called you can require passcode. What that means, if you press this, okay, require, okay, let's just say this is my passcode. Now anytime that anyone presses app right here, they need a passcode to sign inside, or else they cannot even go into the app. Okay, so you have to do it that way in order to unlock your passcode. The second feature is, if you hold down any space right there, and when you press edit right here, now you can actually customize your color. When you press customize, you can actually go to light, dark, automatic, or tint. Okay, you can change any color you want. Let's just say you go to tint, you can adjust the color. Okay, you can adjust which color do you want as well. So everything, it will be within the iOS 18. Number 3, when you go on right here, let's just say you're watching one of the website. Let's say you're watching one of the website right here. Okay, and now these things here, it bothers you. You want to erase it. Did you know right here at the bottom here, you can press this, hide distracted items. When you press that, when you, let's just say, press this and you hide it, it will be gone. Okay, let's just say I don't want this distract me again, hide it, it will be gone. You see that? So anything that is really distracting, you can just press this, hide distracting, press this, press hide, everything will be gone. Super easy and simple. So let's just say we go all the way to the last screen right here. You can see there's a lot of widget right here. Now on the iOS 18, when you press this, you can see edit widget right here. You can see there's a different version. I just say if you want to go to this version, you can see it will expand to see your actual schedule. I just say if this is too big, you can go back there, go to like a slimmer one. Now your schedule is like this. Okay. Any widget on here, you can actually do the same thing, and then they will expand it and it will look like that. Very cool. The last thing is actually the flashlight, and then you can see like that. Now, did you know that you can actually control your brightness and then how wide you want? You can go very narrow, okay, or you can go really wide. It depends how much do you want, and then that's it. Okay. So you can, this is actually the newer version on the iOS 18 on the flashlight. I hope these 5 new features on the iOS help you. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I will have another video very soon on the part 2 on the iOS 18. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.